Here we are in number 7. Here's the garage. It does have a laundry room downstairs here in the garage. Then you go up the stairs. The carpet's brown, it's in good shape. You come up the stairs. The living room. Fireplace. That's the door I just came up. And then here's the deck. It kind of overlooks the other condos. And we'll go into, this is the living room again. The master is upstairs. Downstairs here we have one bedroom. And the closet. And then the second bedroom with the corner window. And closet. This is the bathroom, full bath downstairs here on the main level, and up to the master. Which is really nice, has high ceilings. Ceiling fan. Looks like they had it built in for TVs. Nice size closet. And this is the water heater up here. And then the master bath. Just a little space there. You could put a linen closet or a cabinet. It's not really clean, but that's just cosmetic cleaning, but it looks like it's had a few tenants. There's a few things, you know, like some, I don't know if you can see the crack on the wall, but the window is kind of crooked. And I'll go ahead and walk back downstairs. And then the living room with the ceiling fan. And it has a wood burning fireplace and lots of windows. You'd kind of be looking out at the parking lot during the, we'll go back out during the winter because all these trees would be bare. And then this is looking towards the mountain. mountain, and then the street right out front. Okay.